Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Everyday EDC. My name is Tyler, and today we have an unboxing. This is a very large box, so this is going to be a 4-part unboxing. Rather than repackaging it up and etc, I'm going to unbox a knife. That's going to be a video. I'm going to step away so that my mind clears from that last knife and continue. I know what's in here, but I don't know exactly what I'm pulling out each time. So, here is my Kershaw Launch 10. And let's see what we got. It's kind of like a mystery box pulling. That's what makes this fun. And that's part of the reason why I'm not going to unbox it and then box it up with other stuff and try to do all that. So, let's just grab one, set the box aside. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is a package from Offgrid Knives. I'm not intentionally looking at the box yet because I know the box has like individual what each one is. So I'd like to keep that, you know. I want to be surprised. This is just a little pamphlet from them, pretty cool. Here's a sticker, and rather than continue and look underneath, because like I said, I'm pretty sure the logo of what's underneath here is here. I'll show you guys at the end. So this is a honeycomb texture. I think this is G10. But it feels cold. It almost feels like metal, but it's nice. That's nice. It reminds me a lot of my Doris. Like it's like short and fat. It's all blacked out. It's got 3 screws for the pocket clip. That's unique, but the pocket clip is recessed and it's very, very deep carry, which is super cool. Oh, some jimping on the flipper tab. What appears to be a lock for some reason. We'll figure out what that's all about. And ooh. So let me first say that ergonomically, this is beastly. For a little knife, it fills your hand so very well. This is a liner lock. Not bad for being a coated blade. It's D2. There's no side to side, no up and down. This is a locking mechanism that doesn't allow you to unlock it. So in essence, it becomes a quote unquote fixed blade, if you will. I could do without that, but it's so discreet. I'm never going to notice it. I'm never going to use it. It is what it is. But this thing, this nice little drop point blade, fat freaking handle. Once again, to put something like this into perspective, here's my Kershaw Launch 10. This is not a super large knife. I mean, it looks large in comparison with the Launch 10. But see how fat those scales are? That's why it fills out your hand so nice. Oh my goodness. That just feels good. Action's pretty good. We have a perfectly centered blade. Let's check this grind. See if I can get it. Looks pretty good. And if you guys hear Mickey in the background, that's to entertain the child. Here we have the Offgrid Knives logo and just a D2 on the other side. So once again, not bad. This coated blade does appear to be stonewashed as well. And I don't remember the name of this. This is where this comes into play. Maybe this is called the Badger. Is that what this is called? See, I don't even know what I freaking ordered at this point. I'm going to guess this is the Badger. Oh, man. So, everything I love about my Doris, short of a choke-up point, this thing has, and then some. The way this fills out your hand just it feels... You are straight up locked into this thing, guys. This is not going anywhere. Let's check the factory edge. Nice and slow. Got a little crazy with that one. That's what this thing can do. So the factory edge is stupid sharp. Wow. So apparently this is the Offgrid Knives Badger. Pretty cool. Oh, this the way it locks into the lock. I mean, I get it. You're adding something extra, but I could do without that. Everything else, though, the detent's perfect. The lock. Oh my gosh. Let's see what the lockup is. I would call that at about 35 to 40%. You guys really can't see it with all this black on black. It's kind of hard. There you go. It's about 35 to 40%. It's not bad. Perfectly acceptable. Perfect action. Just straight out of the box. Usually you have to break something in. Not this one. I'm sure it'll break in extra nice, but D2, this thing's coming in at like $70 plus or minus. And so far, I like it. Since I mentioned, I'm not going to get that out. I'll do that during the review. I was going to get out the Doris and show you guys. But this is the Offgrid Knives Badger. If it is not called the Badger, I will change the name to Badger. And I will let Offgrid Knives know that they need to change the name. No, I'll change my title and, the description or something like that. But so far, I like it a lot. This, actually, the unique part is this is the one that I liked the least out of all of them that I purchased. I purchased a couple of them, and I liked this one the least, but I kind of filled in something. I was like, you know what? Let's get one extra. Let's kind of... And I really like it. So, Offgrid Knives, kudos. This thing's for... It's heavy, but this is a knife that I feel like is all the knife you need in a lot of situations. Now, one last test. Yeah. Let's grab some used newspaper. So smooth. Look at that. Does that with newspaper. So you can tell their factory edge is legit. Legit. I haven't used that in about 10 years. The Offgrid Knives Badger, guys. My name is Tyler. This is Everyday EDC. You guys stay sharp. Stay safe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great freaking day.